Understanding average property management fees in 2026. Are you wondering about property management fees in 2026? Let's break it down for you. Average fees overview. The average property management fee generally falls between 8 to 12%. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There are additional costs like leasing fees, which can range from 50 to 100% of 1 month's rent, an average setup fee of $185, and a lease renewal fee around $212. Plus, expect about a 10% markup on maintenance services. What does this mean for you? When searching for a property management company, it's crucial to understand that the monthly management fee is only one of 5 to 8 fees that could be charged. Landlords often focus only on the top-line percentage. However, missing hidden costs like leasing fees or maintenance markups can lead to paying significantly more than expected. National averages at a glance. As per national data, the average monthly management fee is approximately 8.49% of collected rent for single-family and small multifamily homes. For those on a flat fee structure, expect to pay around $100 to $150 per unit, but note the regional variations that can affect these rates. Final thoughts. Navigating property management fees doesn't have to be daunting. With a comprehensive understanding, you can make informed decisions and negotiate better. Read the full blog on our website, www.clearleaddigital.com.